all, this is Tara. I just want to share with you my sweet potato harvest for 2019. I'm here digging up some of my sweet potatoes. The frost has hit them, and I've seen squirrels out here digging, so I decided to dig them up. Here's a few that I have. They're small, but hopefully I'll find a bigger one. This little bunch seems to be a little bigger than the last one, so I'm excited about that. Especially that one. It's going down. Wow, broke it, but not bad. Here's another plant. Not bad. At least not for me. It's a nice size for baking. Closer to the plants, and I can see some small ones. This looks like a carrot. Hopefully you can see it. Another carrot. Okay, I'm going to finish digging these out, and then we'll have a finished result. Well, this is the total harvest. I have a few nice sized potatoes. This one is nice for baking. So, it's a thumbs up for me. I didn't expect this many. So if you are growing sweet potatoes this season, I hope you have a fantastic harvest. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your growing season for the fall.